In this video, I would like to show you how to submit your bid. So you log in after you registered and you click on Bewerber, which means applicant. Here in another video, I showed you already how to upload the project. So here you enter the Alvis ID. Then you will find them here. Here you find your project under ordered. Then you go, so you directly can go to submit. You double click on the project. And then here you can upload your documents. What is important to state your first and last name in your offer. Then here you can upload your documents. What is very important that you really upload these 3 documents. They're obligatory. So, and it's also important to name them A, and then your company name, and B, technical offer and your company name, and C, financial offer, and then again your company name. If you're missing one of these documents, unfortunately we need to exclude your bid. So then you just upload the documents. These are just examples. And then you can click on Inscript and transfer. So yes, here you can see the status that you uploaded your bid. And here you see when you uploaded it. What is important is that you do it before the deadline, because it also takes a bit of time. So this is really important. And then I advise you also to click on confirmation of receipt, so that you have for your own documents when you really uploaded your bid. That's it. Thank you.